Dear class, as you saw, the Logan rabbet cutter has also been discontinued, sadly. I just don't think there's as big of a market as there used to be. Um, anyway, I'll show you the manual way how to do this. You need 2 pieces of foam core, your model box, pencil, ruler, blade, and something to cut on. Okay, that's really it for doing the rabbet cut. So I will look to see if there's another option, another vendor, something like that. But also, it will save you, $10 to $15. Here we go. So you want your ruler, your pencil, this. Oh, let me do it on this side. So you just want to lay the piece that you're not cutting on top of the piece that you are cutting, just like this, and then just mark it a little bit here and a little bit there, and then take your ruler, and what you want to do is cut away and make sure you cut on the inside of these lines, okay? You want to leave the line, since where you marked is where the piece is, and just go like this. Cut through the first layer of black paper. Cut through the black foam, but not the bottom layer, okay? Drag real softly. Make sure you just don't penetrate that bottom part, all right? So, as you can see, I didn't penetrate the bottom part, all right? Now, once you've done that, you take your blade and you just insert it like right here, right below the foam, right above the other piece of paper, and just cut it out. Normally this takes 2 passes. Sometimes I do 1 pass from one side, flip it over, look at it, do a pass from the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect. It will give you double the surface area is what you really want. Okay? Something like this. There. Go back to the front. Make sure it's kind of loose. And usually this should just kind of pop out. Let me just make sure we cut everything. Ah, there we go. Sometimes there's a little bit of hangers on. There. Okay? We've cut that out. This will go together just like before with the, oh, that one has a line on it. Make it so you can see it better. Okay, just like with the rabbet cutter. Okay, it will make a nice corner. All right, and that gives you double the surface area of glue is what you want, and it makes it cleaner. So I do know it's a little bit more of a pain, but I have done this before on more than one occasion. I have either forgot a rabbet cutter or lost a rabbet cutter. And so go ahead and do this. I will hopefully find a replacement before we start making a lot more model boxes. My suggestion is make 1 model box. Try not to glue your model into it so you can recycle it at least for the next project. Okay? Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me.